What's going on, guys? My name is Jordan. I'm a technician at Hall Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Virginia Beach, Virginia. In today's video, I've got something really cool I want to show you guys, and that's this. This is the Mopar 25 RHO, and this is a very cool and very rare pickup truck. That was a special order for one of our customers, and we got one in. And due to its rarity, I felt like it was important to make this video because I want to show you guys just how cool this truck is. So when I say this truck is rare, I mean it. It is a very rare truck. Only 250 units were produced, 25 were allocated to Canada, the other 225 were here in the States. And I'm going to try and put that in perspective for you. So back in 2016, the Mopar edition of the Ram Rebel only had 500 units released. The TRX Launch Edition only had 702, and the final edition of the TRX only had right around 4,000-ish units that were produced. The only other Ram truck that I can think of that had a lower number would be the 2004 SRT-10 Viper Club of America edition. But that was never offered to the general public. You had to be a member of the Viper Club of America to get one of those 50 allocations. So power in this truck is the 3.0-liter inline-6 twin-turbo Hurricane engine. It has 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. You're also going to find an impressive 28 psi of boost from the twin Garrett GT 2054 turbos. Now, made it to that Hurricane, you're going to find our transmission, the Torque Flight 8 HP 75. It's an 8-speed automatic that's rated up to 737 foot-pounds of torque. And attached to that, you're going to find our transfer case, which is a Borg-Warner BW4813. It's a full-time active four-wheel drive, and its low-range ratio is 264 to 1. For our front differential, we're going to find a Dana M190, gear ratio of 392, and it is an open differential. Back at the rear, we're going to find a Dana M250. It's a semi-float axle with an electric locking differential and a gear ratio of 392. Connecting that rear end to the transfer case, we're going to find a solid aluminum drive shaft with heavy-duty U-joints. For suspension, we've got a set of Blackhawk E2s with active terrain dynamics. You're going to find that on all four corners of the wheels. That'll allow you to go in through your drive modes and adjust the preload of the shocks on demand. So as far as braking, in the rear, we're going to find a set of 14.8-inch rotors and a single piston floating caliper. Up front, we're going to find a 14.9-inch rotor, twin piston floating calipers, and you're going to need that for these massive 35-inch tires. Now, the tires themselves are a set of Goodyear Wrangler Territory ATs in 35, 65, 18, and these are beadlock-capable wheels. And so you might say this is just another Ram RHO, but Ram took this truck and they added some very exclusive features that you're not going to find on another pickup truck. And I'm going to go through and show you what makes this truck special, because there's some really cool things that you're not going to see unless you were one of the lucky people in the States who were able to get one of these 225. So one of the first things you're going to notice about this truck are the awesome graphics against that diamond black crystal pearl coat. It's a nice Mopar blue that ends up fading down into the Omega symbol. And that's also carried over to the hood. And back on the tailgate. We'll find blue tow hooks in the rear and in the front. In the bed of the Mopar 25, we're also going to find some other really cool goodies. We're going to find a factory-mounted spare tire carrier. We've got our RamBar. We've got our bed rails on the side and a factory bed liner. You also find extra-large fender flares, which are the largest in the Ram 1500 lineup. A set of Mopar off-road running boards. And these really awesome 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels. They also didn't leave you hanging on the interior. There's also some really cool Mopar touches going on the inside as well. So for infotainment on the Mopar 25, we've got the 10.25-inch LCD display. We've also got the 12-inch main display here in the center. And exclusive to this vehicle is an accessory mount where you can mount your phones or your GoPros. On the center console, you're also going to find some exclusive badging, which displays the vehicle's VIN number and its build number. This vehicle is number 18 of 250. Ram also decided to throw a few other things in too, including an 85-piece Mopar toolkit, a set of Ram-branded USB cables, and you're also going to get a certificate of authenticity for your truck. So I'm really excited for this customer. While I might not have been able to purchase this truck myself, it's going to be really cool knowing that it's out and about town, and I'm occasionally going to get to see it knowing just how rare it is. And that's one of the perks of working at the dealership. I might not be able to afford the Demon 170s or the Vipers or the Prowlers or all the Mopars that I think are cool, but I do get to play with them and I do get to drive with them, and that's one of the perks that makes my job so fun. But if you guys like today's video, please do me a favor, give me a like, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.